Picture this. You've spent decades working, raising a family, and putting everyone else's needs first. Now you're finally at that magical stage of life where you can truly explore the world at your own pace. But here's the thing that might surprise you. One of Europe's most stunning islands has been quietly perfecting the art of senior travel. And most people have no idea just how incredible it can be for mature travelers. Welcome to Corsica, the Mediterranean gem that's about to revolutionize how you think about vacation planning in your golden years. I'm talking about an island where every single detail has been thoughtfully designed with your comfort, interests, and lifestyle in mind. Whether you're planning your first solo adventure, looking for the perfect all-inclusive getaway, or wanting a completely customized experience, Corsica isn't just accommodating seniors, it's celebrating them. Now, before we dive deep into why Corsica should be at the top of your travel list, let me address something important. The travel industry often treats seniors as an afterthought, offering generic packages that don't truly understand what mature travelers actually want. But what if I told you there's a destination where local specialists have spent years perfecting experiences specifically for travelers over 60? A place where your physical condition, your interests, and your travel style aren't limitations. They're the foundation for creating your perfect vacation. Let's start with something that matters to every traveler but becomes even more crucial as we age: feeling genuinely welcomed and understood. Corsica has teams of travel specialists who recognize that the term senior encompasses an incredibly diverse group of people. Whether you're a newly retired 55-year-old ready to conquer hiking trails, or an 80-year-old looking for cultural enrichment and relaxation, they understand that one size definitely does not fit all. The island offers an extraordinary range of vacation styles. Solo travelers will find a supportive environment that encourages independence while providing security and companionship when desired. Couples can rediscover romance in stunning settings that cater to mature relationships. And for those traveling with multiple generations, Corsica excels at creating experiences that genuinely satisfy grandparents, parents, and grandchildren alike. But here's where things get really exciting. The island has developed themed vacation concepts that go far beyond typical tourist activities. Their signature theme revolves around self-care and wellness, but not in the superficial spa day way you might expect. We're talking about a holistic approach to well-being that encompasses your body, mind, and spirit. The culinary experiences alone will transform how you think about food and travel. Corsican dining isn't just about eating. It's about connecting with centuries-old traditions, meeting local producers who've perfected their crafts over generations, and discovering flavors that simply don't exist anywhere else in the world. Picture yourself visiting local markets where vendors become storytellers, sharing the history behind their honey, olive oil, and artisanal cheeses. These aren't tourist traps. These are authentic relationships with people who've dedicated their lives to preserving Corsican food culture. The island's wine regions offer particularly sophisticated experiences for mature travelers. From Patrimonio to Figari, you'll explore vineyards with roots stretching back thousands of years, where winemakers understand that older palates appreciate complexity and nuance. These aren't rushed tastings. They're educational journeys that respect your experience and curiosity. Now let's talk about wellness in a way that actually makes sense for seniors. Corsica approaches relaxation and rejuvenation from multiple angles. Yes, there are world-class spas with hammams and therapeutic treatments, but there's so much more. The island features natural thermal baths with sulfurous waters heated to a perfect 37 degrees, creating healing environments that have been treasured for centuries. But wellness in Corsica extends far beyond traditional spa treatments. The island encourages you to pursue activities you've always dreamed about but never had time to experience. Want to try sea kayaking to explore hidden coves? They'll match you with gentle routes and expert guides. Interested in scuba diving but worried about your age? They offer beginner programs specifically designed for mature adults. Curious about the island's incredible biodiversity? Expert botanists lead walking tours through forests, teaching about aromatic plants and natural remedies. The fitness options are equally thoughtful. Hotels offer aqua aerobics, yoga, and gentle fitness classes designed for mature bodies. But here's what sets Corsica apart. They also completely embrace the idea that sometimes the perfect vacation activity is simply relaxing in a comfortable chair with a stunning view. There's no pressure, no judgment, just genuine understanding that different people recharge in different ways. The cultural and historical aspects of Corsican travel are where mature travelers truly shine. This isn't a destination that assumes older visitors want simplified experiences, quite the opposite. The island's rich history, from prehistoric times through Napoleon's era to modern Corsican culture, provides endless opportunities for intellectual engagement. Ajaccio, designated as a city of art and history, offers treasures that rival major European capitals. The Maison Bonaparte, where Napoleon was born, provides intimate glimpses into history. The Palais Fesch houses France's second most important collection of Italian paintings after the Louvre. The Fesch Library contains over 40,000 works spanning 4 centuries. These aren't rushed tourist stops. They're opportunities for deep cultural immersion that mature travelers particularly appreciate. Archaeological enthusiasts can explore sites dating back to 565 BC, when Phocian traders first arrived. Every town and village offers layers of history waiting to be discovered, from Genoese towers standing sentinel along the coast to mysterious rock formations that have inspired legends for generations. But perhaps most importantly, Corsica excels at creating opportunities for meaningful human connections. The island's artisans, master pipe makers, essential oil distillers, ceramic artists, natural cosmetics producers, welcome visitors into their workshops not as customers but as fellow appreciators of traditional crafts. These interactions provide the kind of authentic cultural exchange that becomes increasingly precious as we age. The island's approach to senior travel extends to practical considerations that matter enormously but are often overlooked. Corsica is particularly attractive during off-season months, offering not just better prices but also more comfortable temperatures and smaller crowds. This isn't about cutting corners, it's about creating optimal conditions for mature travelers to truly enjoy their experiences. Hotels and vacation villages frequently offer special promotions for seniors, but more importantly, they design their services around senior needs. Think comfortable accommodations, varied dining options that accommodate different dietary requirements, and activity programs that offer choices rather than obligations. One standout example is the Marina Viva Hotel Club on Ajaccio Bay, which has earned particular recognition for senior-friendly services. Their approach exemplifies what makes Corsican senior travel special: half-board, full-board, or all-inclusive options that provide flexibility, themed buffets that celebrate local cuisine, and entertainment teams trained to offer suggestions rather than pressure. The island's natural beauty provides the perfect backdrop for this thoughtful approach to mature travel. From dramatic coastlines accessible by comfortable boat trips to mountain villages reachable by scenic drives, Corsica offers stunning environments without requiring physical extremes to appreciate them. What makes all of this possible is Corsica's fundamental philosophy towards senior travel: respect. Respect for your experience, your preferences, your physical capabilities, and your desire for authentic experiences. This isn't about creating a separate, lesser version of travel for older people. It's about recognizing that mature travelers often want deeper, more meaningful experiences than their younger counterparts. The result is a destination that doesn't just accommodate seniors, it celebrates the wisdom, curiosity, and appreciation for quality that come with age. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, cultural enrichment, or simply a beautiful place to enjoy life at your own pace, Corsica has perfected the art of senior travel in ways that will surprise and delight you. Your golden years aren't about settling for less. They're about finally having the time and wisdom to choose better. Corsica understands this completely, and that understanding transforms a simple vacation into something far more valuable, a celebration of this incredible stage of your life.